I've got my Allure box for the month of June. So if you want to see inside, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, thanks so much for stopping by and checking us out. We hope you decide to stay around for a little while. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Allure Beauty Box, I used to get Allure and Glossy. I did cancel Glossy. I don't know where I'm at with that, but since this came in and I don't know if Glossy's coming in, I decided to just go ahead and just unbox this. So Allure and Glossy box are very similar boxes, and in the past I've compared them side by side, and pretty much Allure has come up as the winner. So I decided to go ahead and cancel Glossy box and just stick with the Allure box. So it tends to have some really kind of heavy hitters as far as like expensive brands in there and more products and more full-size products. It does come with a little flyer that goes over all of your products. And they gave us a code for 50% off of a product at the Mud Maskey website. So I'm guessing there's a Mud Maskey product in here. Oh, I'm so glad I stayed with this. I don't know. Here is your sneak peek, and right over here, that's Glow Recipe Baby, one of my favorites. So the magazine goes over each product, the retail value. It doesn't go over the retail value of the deluxe samples, it just tells you what a full size would be. And it also has information from the authors or the staff at Allure that tell you what they liked about the product. So everything in here has been tested by their staff. And the first thing out of the box are these Glow Recipe Niacinamide Glow Drops, or dewdrops. Here is how this looks. So I'm not going to open this because I do have one open right now. It smells just like watermelon, just like fresh watermelon. And it gives a nice, healthy, kind of dewy look. So this is particularly nice for the summertime, I feel, because in the summertime you may not want to wear as much makeup, but you may still want that kind of nice little glow. And this is a product that's going to do that for you. If you put it on and then put on foundation, you are going to get some glow through. So if you like a more matte look, this is probably not a good product for you. In the summertime, I don't mind a little bit more of like a dewy kind of glowy shine. So I like this in the summer in particular. What it says in here about the product is that niacinamide is a powerhouse that can boost radiance. It decreases redness and reduces the appearance of fine lines and pigmentation. So I have rosacea. I do have some permanent redness, and so I didn't even think I knew that. So I might use it more often to help with that. It's lightweight and has a cooling pink formula, and it is very lightweight and cooling. Its gel-like texture is perfect for summer. It's also fortified with antioxidant watermelon extract and moringa seed oil and hydrating hyaluronic acid. So this really is a powerhouse. It has a lot of really great ingredients. This is cruelty-free and Leaping Bunny certified. It does have sodium hyaluronate, and so that's an ingredient that takes moisture and pulls it in and plumps up your skin. So when you put this on and you put, say, a moisturizer over top of it, what it's going to do is it's going to pull all of the moisture in from your moisturizer and help plump up your skin. So that's a really great ingredient. And I learned that from Jess over at Everything Proof, who does the Goldie Box. When she does her spoilers, she talks about the ingredients. She's very knowledgeable about that. So I try to pass on some of that knowledge, but giving her full credit. And this is a $35 value. So the whole box is like $21 or something like that. And that right there, $35. Next, by Saturday Skin, is the Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. This is a full size and $45 value. It is a moisturizer. So I was like, okay, but what is it? Moisturizer. There is how that looks. This is a really great company. or I've liked the things that I've gotten from this company, I should say. I don't know that it's a great company. It does not look to have anything on here about being cruelty-free or vegan, so that's disappointing because I've liked a lot of their products. This is another niacinamide product. It does say it has a scent that's kind of faint at first when you put it on, and it's like a citrus candy which fades after it dries down. Next is the Aveda Nutriplenish Leave-In Conditioner, and this helps with humidity-induced frizz. It smooths flyaways and it doesn't drag down your roots, which is nice because I get some flyaways up here sometimes, so that's nice to have something that you can put up here and it's not gonna, I already have very flat hair. This is 1 fluid ounce or 30 milliliters, and the full size, I don't know, it says this size is $13 right here, so it's not the full size, but this is a $13 value. Next, by Natura Ecos, is a body lotion. This is the Takuma. This is vegan. Their products contain Amazon bioactive ingredients. This is 30 milliliters, and the full size of 400 milliliters is $27. It says that it has a warm and sexy scent that's going to transport you to the beach. Kind of musky, it's not a scent for me. This was a Best of Beauty Allure winner though. So next is the Paul Mitchell Tea Tree Special Detox Kombucha Rinse. This removes buildup and adds shine, and it's also great for color treated hair. It says that this is a full size, or if this isn't a full size, I don't know what is. This is 200 milliliters or 6.8 ounces, and that's a $28.50 value. So it has a pointed nozzle to make it easy to just apply right there into your scalp. It's gonna feel tingly, and it says it whisks away days worth of hairspray, dry shampoo, and beach trips, while adding shine, a perk you don't often get from clarifying rinses. It says to use it once a week in place of your regular shampoo. And then you're going to put it in your scalp and you're going to rinse after about 3 minutes. Next, by April Skin, is a Keratin IPMP Hydro Melt Cleansing Balm. So this is obviously a sample size, a deluxe sample, because cleansing balms are typically much larger. There is how that looks. That's some beautiful packaging. Smells very pleasant. This is 10 milliliters, and the full size of 90 milliliters is $28. It says it looks like a potted lip balm and feels every bit as hydrating, but works a bit of magic by making your longest wearing eyeliner, brightest blush, and creamiest lipstick disappear. Poof, it says. I don't know what IPMP is, but it's a one-step makeup and blackhead remover, and this is really cute, it says, "We care about you." That's pretty funny. And that is the box. So I was a little confused because we have that coupon for 50% off at Mud Masky, and then we have a pure Mud Masky Saved by the Scrub for underarms for 75% off exclusively at Amazon, so for $5. It's the best-selling armpit scrub in Europe. I did not know we needed to have our own armpit scrub. That's news to me. That is my Allure box. So I am pretty impressed with what's in here. And we have 3 full-size items, 1 travel-size item, and 2 deluxe samples. So not bad. I mean, even though I don't like the scent of this, many people probably will. My sisters might like this scent, so I'll probably pop this in one of their bags, one of their boxes, I should say, for their birthday. So it'll get used, and I might have to try that $5 armpit scrub Get it from our kid. All right, well, that's all I have for now. Thank you so much for spending a little time with me tonight. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell if you like this kind of content. We do all kinds of unboxings and baggings, get ready with me's, collaborations, giveaways, all kinds of fun stuff like that. So maybe you stay around a little while, and hopefully I'll see you soon.